Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. I just wanted to wish everybody a wonderful Happy New Year, and I also wanted to kind of give back a little bit. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody, whoever watches my videos, whoever gives me a thumbs up, whoever leaves me a comment, whoever purchases one of my templates or goes through an affiliate link or any of those things. I just wanted to give you a great big shout out and a great big hug and tell you how much I appreciate each and every one of you for even the smallest of acts. I can't say that word correctly. I don't know why. Even the smallest little thing that you do helps me so much. And I just wanted to wish everybody a Happy New Year. And I wanted to just start the year off with a bang. So I have done a coupon code for you guys. And it is 50% off. I'll have to scoot you in. Oh, by the way, this is the current album that we're working on. If you want to get caught up with this one, if you happen to miss it or whatever, I'll link that playlist up here. We are getting close to being done with this. We have to do covers and we have to finish some pages and things. But anywho's, if you want to get caught up with that, that is linked there. But I have created a 50% off coupon code, and it's valid from January 1st, 2025 at the time of this video publishing, which I'll try to do it. I'll try to publish it early. I don't know. We'll see. And then it's valid all the way through to January 11th, 2025. Some things are not included. A very small amount of things are not included in this sale, but everything else is. So it is New Year 25 and it's 50% off. There's no minimum purchase or anything like that. You just enter that code into the coupon code area at checkout. If you have any issues at all, let me know. Send me a message. So yeah, so if you have any issues at all, send me a message. As long as you purchase in this time frame and contact me and tell me the coupon code, if you, for whatever reason, it doesn't work, I will refund your 50% off of your purchase of things that are included in the sale. There are a few categories that are not included. That is printable papers and embellishments, and I want to say there was another thing, but I don't remember what it was, sections wise. But everything else is included. So anyway, I just wanted to wish you all a very, very, very happy New Year, and I wanted to say thank you, and I look forward to this year coming up. I have some fun ideas. I'm super excited to see what this new year brings. So I just wanted to give you all a great big hug, a great big thank you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.